Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another wig install. Today's wig install is from a company called RECOOL Hair. This is my first time ordering from this company, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I installed this wig. I just have it really boldiful. It's bold, it's wavy, it's giving just easy, you know, easy peasy. You can definitely put it up if you wanted to. That would low-key be cute, your vibe. You could put it up if you want to. You could wear it down. I just love how versatile this wig is. For starters, this is frontal. Like, it's literally a frontal. So you've got a bunch of parting space, especially on the side, which I love. So if you guys are interested in seeing my thoughts and review on this hair, then keep watching.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
This is the package. It says RECOOL Hair. The hair came in a package that looked like this. It's 14-inch, 13x4 lace front wig. Get some lashes. Bonnet, which is amazing. Give you a wig cap, some hair oil. So this is the texture. I've already washed it. It's a nice wave. I think today we're gonna do some extreme crimps. I'm gonna crimp the hair. I did bleach the knots. So this is what the inside looks like. It's actually a lot of parting space. Wow. You see all that parting space, you guys? And then it's got adjustable straps. The combs are far in the back, so I like that. I don't like when the combs are all the way up here, but you guys, this is a ton of parting space. And what I'm gonna do is just briefly pluck at the front of the hairline. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy, cause just like what you can see, to me it's pre-plucked, but it just still needs a little bit more plucking. So it's random when I pluck, but I'm really going to just focus it at the front of the hairline. Don't be afraid, but I do think that it's easier to pluck it on a mannequin head because you can see what you're doing and you're not gonna make any holes. So I'm gonna go in with the darker powder this time, and we're really going to focus it on the front of the hairline ish up here. Okay, so I just want you guys to see what we're doing, and it could be as messy as it wants to because all of this is going to get cut off anyway. So now that we've put the powder in, it's just giving more scalpage, and to me personally it looks better. But what we are going to do is just start by laying the Erica J Hold Me Down glue. Some of you guys have asked what glue do I like to use, and I like to use the Erica J Hold Me Down. I just feel like personally it's not too harsh. Like, I haven't had any allergic reactions to it. I like the hold that it gives, and recently I've only been going in with one layer, but as you guys can see, one thick layer. And yeah, so if you're going to want to really learn how to melt your hair, definitely get you a nice glue. Use your wig cap if you have more hair than I do. But as you guys can see, my concern isn't about like my hair, saving my hair, because I don't have any hair. Smooth it out, because if you kept it like this, it would just be a bumpy ride. You're gonna smooth it out, and then once it's clear, we're gonna layer wig together. And some girls be complaining about their forehead size. If you have a big forehead and you wear wigs, you are truly blessed. Just like me, I love my big forehead. It allows me to just have the bombest wig positions. You know, I'd hate to have a tiny forehead and be trying to lay a wig all the way down here. I'm just saying. So I'm just looking at my mirror over here. Then we're gonna take this side and really bring it over. Okay, so like I tell you guys all the time, I personally don't like to go on with the elastic band just yet, only because I feel like it's going to just waste my time. I like to cut the wig off, spray it, and then go in with the elastic band. First side is off. I'm gonna cut the second side off, and then I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go in with our got to be, because some of the lace is still, you know, lifting up a bit, not a lot, but some of it. So we're gonna spray it again. The parting space on the side is ridiculous. Do y'all see all this parting space? Because typically on the side, the parting space gets really small. But over here on this wig, this parting space is crazy. Look at all that. So we got a crazy amount of parting space, which is good. So like I said, the longer you have this on, the better. But I'm kind of just ready to get started. Briefly wipe it. I'm not gonna go too ham. All right, so yeah, we're gonna put it in the middle. Let me zoom out so you guys can see. So this is the only part that we're going to actually press. Everything else we're going to crimp. Yeah guys, so we're gonna just leave it on there. I'll just be counting it to like 15, 30, and that's it. So you guys, this is how the wig turned out. I definitely think that it's super cute. Another no baby hair type of day. We didn't do any baby hairs, and I think that it looks really nice. It's definitely giving Solange. The last install we just had, it was giving more Beyonce. Regardless of the fact that this is a wavy wig, I just added some more waves to it. This is where it is hitting me. I'm 5'5" for anyone wanting to know. I genuinely like the actual lace. I think that the lace was really easy to work with. The knots were a little bit on the stubborn side, so I feel like if I am to bleach it again, it'd be perfect. I feel like this is an easy maintenance hairdo, because if you guys have been keeping up with my channel, I've been doing a lot of 14 inches, because for me, when it's a 14-inch wig, it's just easy, you know. It's like not really anything to maintain when it comes to going to sleep at night. If I decide that I do want to sleep with the wig, it's not an overwhelming amount of hair. For example, when I am to go to sleep tonight with this wig on, I'm gonna just put it in 2 French braids, and then in the morning, it's gonna be wavy. I also love the fact that parting space, it's so much parting space. Like, it's a legit frontal. You know how some of the companies, they give you on the sides, it's just not enough? This is a legit frontal. So I personally like when companies just take that time to give you more bang for your buck, because some people like to do deep side swooshes. They like to braid their wigs, with little French braids, and this wig definitely gives you that opportunity to do so. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, catch you on my next video. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.